A 45 microfarad capacitor has 1.2 microcoulombs of charge on it. What's the voltage across it? Oh, let's see. Voltage is going to be, I think, charge divided by capacitance. Right? How much charge you have would raise the voltage, but the more space you have to put it in would lower the voltage, right? I'm going to go with that. Okay, so let's see. Q is 1.2 times 10 to the minus 6th coulombs. And then it's 45 times 10 to the minus 6th farads, right? So 1.2 divided by 4.5 is 1.2 divided by 45 is 0.02 and a lot of sixes. There's a lot of sixes. Right? So that would be, with 2 sig figs, that would be 27 millivolts, right? Ta-da.